Update on the guest house. We have muriatic acid all the tiles to get out all the dirt. You can see it's all white, like it's all been just put in, but it's only on the inside. We still got a few of the furniture because now again rainy days. We have another lad that helped us. I hired another one to help clear out the tiles, put some acid on it to bleach it out and disinfect before we do the final painting for this lounge. And it's all done. Then we move on to a different room. You can see that the stairs has been cleaned out. There he is, he's working there. And this is the side steps towards the garden. Then you can see what Junel is doing. He's painting this side of the house. Retouch here. This is just first coating, but it needs a second coating to make everything tidy. And soon the outside will be done. But now you can see that it's raining again here, so we'll be working inside. Back to the update of the guest house. We nearly emptied that tank. So like I said, when we empty that, we're gonna clean it all out, disinfect, brush, and then tile the whole area so it's all tidy, and check all the parts of the pump, the motor pump, the pressure tank, so it will be all working again. We are now on the last two lines of the tank. It's still very hard to move it, so we'll be doing like like a pail and get the water out. So update, you guys see the Lloyd there emptying the last part of the tank because it's so heavy still to move out. So hopefully that will be empty tomorrow. Then we will be disinfecting the tank, clean and disinfect, and start again. But we will be tiling that area, like I said, and replacing all the parts of the pressure tank, the motor that's gonna be changed. So it's all gonna be functioning as new. So in here, we have put acid on the tiles to disinfect all this. You can see it looks like newly installed. All the grouts is whitened. And this is just the acid for now. Then they can paint and recoat everything, and it's finished here. All the toilet area has been bleached, walls bleach, floors bleach, bowl bleach. And so you can see it's all clear and white here now in the lounge. And if you go downstairs, all the stairs has been cleared up. It's all gonna be painted, everything tidy. You can see on the tiles here, it's all been bleached with acid to disinfect, and then final mop it up with proper bleach. They're just ending here, but they will soon be working in here. So in here in the bathroom, they will be working to bleach out everything here. As of the moment, they're just working outside, clean, dusted, and basically this will be done. Then we start going down there. I got those outside light. Clear out and refurbish. I'll repaint whatever is like discoloration, discolored part, and that will be installed. I need to get another ceiling one because there's one that's really busted. So basically almost there for this area, and that's the console table. I need a mirror here to match that, and I also bleach the upstairs toilet, but I need another mirror here where the sink is located, and the stairs. I'm just gonna sort. There's one thing that I'm gonna sort up there. It won't be long to cover it up, and I will put the curtains here to avoid the dogs looking through. Curtains here, just flimsy ones, and the kitchen all ready now. Just waiting for the doors. So we still, I think, got plenty of time to finish. I think we'll be finished before our deadline that they come around October time. So I want that tank area to be tiled, and the front here, at least the front here on the house, will be tiled with half of the tile that serves as skirting to avoid the splashing from the rain. And if time will be favorable to me, I would like the septic tank area to be cemented. The one that I'd say before. That this septic area here, I want it cemented, because doing just garden in this area, you can see the dirt splashing on the wall when it rains. So when it's all cemented until the beam, then have it all tiled, that's another courtyard that they can use and have tables and chairs. And it also keep here this area neat and tidy. I just want everything finished now, and it's gonna be neat and tidy. Even the touch up of this stairs is gonna be touched up properly, so it's all looking tidy, and all the paint droppings will be clear. Anyway, the paint is water based, so easier to clean it. So that's the update for now. You can see the weather is gonna rain soon, so not much we can do for the outside work today. But if the weather continues like this, we'll be doing more of the rooms, of the inside work. But we have here on the side step going to the garden, we also put some acid on it to whiten up all the tiles. As you can see him working there. And also this little cubicle here in the outside the bathroom, you can see it's all clear and white now. And we're gonna be painting and make everything tidy in this side here. And painting wise, Junelle has done the first coating on this side to finish it all, but it needs another coating. on this side, and then but it's again rainy days, so I think we just have to work inside again.